chicken. I'm not shy. I drink tequila. Hey, coochie coochie every night. Now how good your tequila it is before and after you drink it. The toast we say, arriba.
Arriba.
Abajo. Al centro.
Al centro.
Pa adentro.
Valento.
Enjoying the taste, the sparkling in your tongue. It's going down nice and smooth. Now, amigos, if you think my tequila has sugar canes or chemicals or flavors added into it, it's really easy to find out. When you're drinking tequila home and you drop a little bit on your hands or your clothes, you'll be sticky, correct? And it's very alcohol the whole damn day. Put a drop on your hand and rub it. My
Evaporates.
It's not sticky. It's creamy. All right? You let it head dry and you smell it. You don't smell the alcohol, you smell the barrel. That's because my tequila doesn't have no sugar canes and my tequila doesn't have no chemicals of ethanol. As you can find out how good it is. It is pricey. You can take a picture of all my tequilas. We're also gonna sip in tequila. Now my favorites. These two are top sellers tequila and top shelf. You can see the color how it's getting darker. More time into the barrel. This is 12 years inside the whiskey barrels. If you like whiskey and tequila, you're going to love my tequila only for sipping. And tequila for me, myself, and I. This is 18 years inside the French barrel, wine barrels. These ones are more mellow, more smoother. Put them on your mouth, swish it around your mouth, size to size, and you're enjoying the oaky taste of it, okay? Now, this is agave syrup, natural honey, good for diabetics. We come from the agave. After we grow the agave 8 to 10 years, we suspend. Okay, my friends, everybody has a cup? Yes? A question to us. Do you like to start with flavors or do you like to start with a straight tequila? Straight.
Yeah, try the real
Okay,
thing.
let's do this. I'm going to grab my bottles. I'm going to pass between you guys. And I'm going to start with something really special. My top shelf. Why? When you normally go, any tasting of wine, champagne, tequila, you name it, you always start with the youngest one. After 3 or 4 shots, everything tastes the same and besides you're drunk. So I like you to taste something different at the first taste. That's why I start with my top shelf. This is pricey. This is something you put them on your mouth and enjoy the taste of it, okay? Do not shut it, please. Sip it and enjoy. And the best part, we drink it with no salt and no lime. We drink them straight. Good tequila, we drink it straight, like a good bourbon, like a good wine, like a good champagne, okay? Who's driving? Right? Drivers get double shot, that's what I'm asking. I'm driving. But we have our own sample. Tequila back over there? Yes? No? So? Maybe so?
It's nice of you to share.
Nice.
Okay. This one is like a butterscotch, like a good bourbon.
Nice one. Smooth. Smooth.
Don't worry about the price.
I need to get you drunk first.
We have this one's the flavors.
Home. If you spill a little bit, you will smell alcohol the whole damn day because it has ethanol. That's the whole reason. We triple distill. When you distill in 3 times, you got quality of tequila.
I'm going to tell the whole group to come here next week.
Okay, prices I will give you after we get drunk. Don't worry. Amigos, this one same way. Put them on your mouth and switch it around. But this one we're going to say, I'm not chicken. I'm not shy. I drink tequila. Hey, coochie coochie every night. Salad. A little bit. I took care of it. How was it? Good tasting, all right? Now, this is something you like to blend with some ice, the strawberries, blueberries, kiwis, and you name it. If you like piñas coladas, you just put pineapple and you have your piña colada fresh. The most important part, this one doesn't have sugar canes, doesn't have chemicals. Means no headaches and no hangovers guaranteed. As long as you mix it with a natural fruit. If you buy pineapple juice from the store, you screw them all the natural things we have here, okay? Now, we're going to have chocolate. Chocolate. This one is good to have it with your coffee. You can put it on the top of the vanilla ice cream.
This coming the sweet captain.
Here, right here.
Thank you. And the enchiladas?
Enchilada.
You got the red one.
It's a enchilada.
The red one? We asked for the red one?
It's a green.
No, red. Red. We are red. We are red.
It's a green.
No. No.
What is that?
So the guy messed up the order. We ordered a red enchilada. He brought green. So he's gonna get that replaced. So in the meantime, we will share this. We will have this together. So what is this?
Fish tacos, rice, beans, avocado,
Avocados, yes.
shrimp cocktail, garnished with lime, onion, and cilantro,
Okay.
and chips,
More chips.
and hot sauce.
Good hot sauce. And our baguette. Pending our enchilada. We got rice. We got black bean sauce. Here we go. Oh God, messy. Wow, it's very